Hey, you naughty kid, you released all my parrots! They were so expensive, now you have to pay for that, you little monster!
No, you didn't!
Yes, you did, you're paying! That's it!
I will do some work to earn money, and then I will release all these parrots. Heavy box. In the van. One more. I got it!
You have done amazing work, little one.
Thanks, sir.
You're welcome, buddy. Go on now.
I released the parrots. Take this money. It's more than the price. Give me one more cage.
You released them? All right, here's your cage.
Yay, thank you!
You're welcome, kid.
Hey, parrots, you want to be released? I am gonna release you.